Hi, welcome to the Golang tutorial series. In this series, I'll take you through the basic and most important features of Golang. Golang doesn't forgive silly mistakes, so you need to be very clear when it comes to the basics of the language. I've been a Golang developer since quite a few years and wanted to share my knowledge. The reason I've created this free course is because I couldn't find a good Golang tutorial series on YouTube, and hence I decided to create one. You can keep coming back to these videos and brush up your basics whenever you're in doubt. I won't talk about how awesome Golang is and why you need to learn it, because you can find hundreds of videos on the internet for that. Instead, I'll get right down into the code. I'll be teaching using only real examples, and I'll ensure that I cover almost all important topics, so you don't have to enroll in another course or even buy a proper Golang course after this. As you can see, I've opened up the Go playground. You can go to play.golang.org and you'll get this code window where you can test your code. For the first few examples in our tutorial series, we'll be using the Go playground. And once we advance into our series, we'll be shifting to the local environment with VS Code. So let's get started. The first line that you write in Golang, any Golang code, is package main. Then you start importing all the packages. In this code example, we need the FMT package, and I'll show you why. So now we write the func main, which is again something that you have to write for every single Golang code that you'll write. Func main is the main entry point into the code. And then here we'll say fmt.print line hello playground, and we're going to run this code, and here you can see hello playground. Now fmt is the package which contains the print line function. So in Golang, everything is very modular. Everything is available only through packages that Golang has provided you. You can create your own packages. That is something that we'll be looking at in one of the future videos. And packages are very convenient in the sense whatever functionality that you need, you can just access a package. And we'll also go through the Golang documentation, so you will be able to understand all the different packages that are available. Now let's look at another example. I'll remove the entire code. I'll be writing the same things again, some of the same things again, but that's only because I want you to be clear that you have to, this has to be a lot of repetition here so that you become very comfortable with the syntax. So I wrote package main, then I wrote import, and inside import, I'm going to write fmt again because I need to print something. And then I'll write math/rand, which is random. And then I'll have my func main. And inside func main, I'll have fmt.print line random.int and brackets. Let's see what happens. So it gives me any random number, right? Any random integer. That's what this does. So math/rand is the path of a package called rand inside the math library, right? And you have the int function inside this random package, and you can easily access that to create a random number or a random integer in this case. Now again, I'll remove this code. Again, I'll show you another example. I'll write package main, right? I'll write import again because you have to write these two things in every single code that you write for Golang. I'll again import fmt. I'll go and import math, func main again, and fmt.print ln now you have %g problems ./n comma math dot square root 7. Right? So what this is the print line is having some problems with %g. If you want to use %g, you'll use printf and not println. And printf is another function that's available to us using the fmt package. So you can see here, there's no problem here now. So now you have these many problems, right? So %g is basically this, and you're going to place the value of this inside here, the %g, right? So I hope this is clear to you. We've gone over 3 different small examples, and we're just getting started with Golang, and the difficulty level of these videos will just keep increasing from now. And thank you for watching. If you're liking the series, then do subscribe so that you're updated on whenever a new video in the series comes out. And thank you.